Hello students, welcome back to the math class. Today we shall start exercise 3.6 question number 1 part 6th. The question is solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. And the equations are 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. We shall name these equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now children, in step 1, we shall divide both the equations by xy. So we shall write the statement on dividing each equation by xy. So first of all, I will divide first equation by xy. 6x will be divided by xy plus, as it is, 3y of the first equation will be divided by xy equal to 6xy will be divided by xy. I have taken only one equation number 1. So x in the numerator and x in the denominator will be cancelled, and I am left with 6 by y in the orange box, equation number 3. Plus y upon y will be cancelled, and I am left with 3 upon x equal to xy upon xy will be cancelled, and I am left with only 6. So my new equation number 3 will be 6 by y plus 3 by x equal to 6. Now children, I will divide equation number 2, each and every term of equation number 2 by xy. So 2x will be divided by xy plus 4y will be divided by xy equal to 5xy will be divided by xy. So in first term 2x by xy, x and x will be cancelled. I am left with 2 by y. In second term 4y when divided by xy, y and y in the numerator and denominator will be cancelled, and I am left with 4 by x. Now children, equal to 5xy upon xy. xy will be cancelled, and I am left with 5 only. Now children, in step 2, I will assume let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So equation 3 will be converted into a new equation. How? We shall write it in expanded form. 6 upon y means 6 into 1 by y plus 3 upon x can be written as 3 into 1 upon x equal to 6. Now children, 6 as it is, in the place of 1 by y को हम replace कर देंगे by v. So it will become 6v plus 3 into 1 by x. 1 by x को हम replace कर देंगे because हमने इसको लिया है u. So 3 into u is equal to 6. This is our new equation number 5. The same way children, we shall convert equation number 4. Equation number 4 is 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equal to 5. We shall write it in expanded form. 2 into y means 2 into 1 by y plus 4 upon x means 4 into 1 by x equal to 5. I will replace 1 by y by v, so it will become 2v plus 4 into 1 by x means 4u equal to 5. Now children, I have found two equations. Equation number 6, that is 2u plus 2v plus 4u is equal to 5. This is our new equation number 6, and previous equation 6v plus 3u is equal to. Now children, we can solve these two equations by any method, substitution or elimination or cross multiplication, but here I am using elimination method to solve these two equations. So for elimination method, I will have to eliminate any one variable, either v or u. So I can eliminate very easily v. If I multiply equation 6 by 3, you can see that 3 into 2v will be 6v, and equation number 5 I also have 6v in the starting, so both can be cancelled. So I will multiply equation 6 by 3. So I will write the statement in step 3, multiplying equation 6 by 3 and subtracting 6th and 5th equations. So when I will multiply equation 6 by 3, I will multiply each and every term of equation 6 by 3. So 3 into 2v will become 6v. 3 into 4u will become 12u is equal to 3 into 5 will become 15. Fifth equation will come as it is below equation number 6. Fifth equation इसके नीचे as it is आ जाएगी. Now we have to subtract y, because to cancel 6v in both the equations I will have to change the sign of second equation. Second equation के मुझे sign change करने पड़ेंगे. So that's why I will write subtracting 6 and 5. So I will change the signs of second equation. Plus 6v will become minus 7v. Minus 6v will become minus 6v, plus 3u will become minus 3u equal to 6. 6 will become minus 6. Now 6v will be cancelled because one is positive term and one is negative, and coefficient is same, variable is same, so it will be cancelled. Plus 12u minus 3u. Now I don't have plus u, I have minus 3u because I have changed the sign. So 12u minus 3u will be 9u. Sign will be positive because according to integers, plus minus minus and sign is of greater number. So plus 9u is equal to 15 minus 6 will be 9. So in next step 9 will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into division. So 9 divided by 9, answer will be 1. So I have found the value of u is equal to 1. Now children, I will put this value of u in equation number 5. So I will write put u is equal to 1 in equation number 5. So equation 5 was 6v plus 3u is equal to 6. In next step 6v as it is, plus 3u means 3 multiplied by u. Here the value of u we have found, that is 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 6. In next step 6v as it is, 3 into 1 3 will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into minus 3. In next step I am left with 6v is equal to 6 minus 3 means 3. In next step 6 will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into division. After writing in standard form, I will get the value of v is equal to 1 by 2. Now children, I have found two values, u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1 by 2. Now students, I will divide my question in two parts, case 1 and case 2 in step 4. In case 1, u is equal to 1 and in case 2, value of v is equal to 1 by 2. But my question was in x and y. So I will have to find the values of x and y. So I would replace u by 1 by x, which was assumed by us in the very first step of the question. So I would replace u by 1 by x. So u के नीचे मैं क्या लिखूंगी? Its value, that is 1 by x equal to 1 as it is. After cross multiplication, I will get x equal to 1. In case second children, v was assumed by us in the very first step as 1 by y. So I will replace v by 1 by y. v के नीचे मैं क्या लिखूंगी? इसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू जो हमने एज्यूम की थी, that was 1 by y is equal to v is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. After cross multiplication, 1 will be multiplied by 2, I will get 2, and y will be multiplied by 1, I will get y. So value of y will be 2. So I have found two values, x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This is the answer of this question.